Hello, what's up my YouTube family? It's your girl Shami Vlog UG. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining the team. If you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my YouTube videos. And yes, today it's going to be a cooking video. Yo, it's been long since I last uploaded cooking videos, but I guess I'm going to start doing that. Yeah. So alright, here I am. I'm dressed. Yeah, of course I'm going to cook, and I don't want that in myself. I just showered. Yeah. So let me first show you my ingredients, then we start. List of my ingredients: I have ginger, I have lemon, I have soda bicarbonate, I have baking powder, I have blue band, I have all-purpose flour. Of course I'll be using Azam as my favorite, and I'm going to use this grater for the lemon and the ginger, then my bowl, my sugar. Yeah, let's start. So we're going to start. Let me first wash my hands. I'm going to first grate my, I've peeled my ginger. Yeah, and I'm going to grate it. So I'm using the small side because I don't want a big particles, being that these daddies are for kids, and you know kids hate ginger mostly. So this is my grated ginger. I'm going to use this. Then I have to, for nice yummy sweet daddies, you have to put the peeling on in the daddies. So I'm going to first grate this peeling. It's also a good flavor, by the way. It has a nice flavor, very sweet, and the scent of it, yeah, stop note. So I'm going to grate it. Then I'll also use the lime. So let us grate this. Thank you. With a sieve, kasenge. Is this not for milk? So the reason as in why I prefer using lime water is because in most cases when I make these daddies, they're not going to spend 1 day or 2 days and they'll stay. So for some good time, that's why I'll need this lime water. It's like a preservative. Yeah, they don't go bad easily. They don't go bad easily. That's why we need this lime water. But if you're making daddies for 1 day, 2 days, use milk. You'll appreciate me later, because milk is also a very good ingredient when you're making daddy. And behind the camera, it's Sharon. Sharon, what's your name? What's your second name?
Kosing.
Yeah, behind the camera, it's Kosing Sharon. So I think I'm done with that also. This is my consistency now. Here, I'll go with then of course for crispy daddies you'll need this, but this one you need a very small portion. Yeah, you don't need a big portion. This is bicarbonate of soda. You just need a very small portion of it, so that your daddies get that crunchy. So from here you just put your I've not measured because I know what I want. I know the quantity I want. Yeah, that's why I've not measured. So right now I'm going to put my sugar. Yeah, I've used a glass because why not? By the someone who taught me, my mom taught me how to make daddies. Yeah, I'm still telling you. But then you can actually feel the flavor right now. Okura rivoya, eh? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, you can feel the flavor. So if you have your vanilla, you can put, but for me, if I put the lime peelings, it's just enough. It's just enough. Then my milk. Oh my god, smelling nice. Good nice. This is butter. By the every country has their own type of butter, and for us we have Blue Band. We have Blue Band. So this is our consistency. So this is it. It's ready right now. You see, like when it starts getting off your hands, that's when you know it's ready. Yeah. So after here, you have to cover it. I prefer using a clean cloth, a clean cotton cloth than Kavera or polythene or nylon, whatever you call it. Me, I prefer using this whenever I'm covering my duff. I use a cloth. So I'm going to leave it set for some good time, then I'll be back. Let me arrange. Since I'm going to use here, I have to first clean this place very, very well. Oh, it's smelling nice. Oh. So here, soft, some ginger. But it has a very nice scent right now because of the ginger and the lemon. So this is it. So for me, I'm going to start rolling, and I'm going to roll from here. Then I'll use the sigiri outside the charcoal stove. So after making balls, you cover here. Sharon, someone who has been on camera since we started. How are you?
I'm good.
That's Shayo, Aunt Shayo. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, people.
Hi, people.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Go cry.
Go cry. Okay, let's go shower, huh? But then we're going to need a knife here. And Sharon.
Yes.
We're going to need a knife.
Okay.
So this is my knife. I had to dip it in the flour because I don't want anything to stick. So the size of the daddies depends on the size you've cut here. So I don't want a very small size, nor do I want. Mama. This is the charcoal stove that I'm going to use. I've already lit it. Yeah, that is it. I'm drying some chili here. Someone sent me chili and I'm drying it. I love chili. So our oil, I think it's ready because this was for checking. So these are our daddies. As you can see them, crispy. But then they are sweet, they have a good flavor, they have a very nice scent. Yeah, this is the outcome. Crunchy. Yeah, that's the outcome. We still have more here. Sharon, taste.
Delicious.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
So hello my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched this video to this very end, I kindly appreciate that. Kindly give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with friends, and if you're a new subscriber, you're most welcome. Thank you so much for joining this YouTube channel. Please, for my old subscribers, I really do appreciate your efforts of always coming back to watch my videos. And please, as you know, the theme here is watch, share, comment, like. Ta-da! Till we meet again. Bye-bye for now.